Are you a 10th grader who has just given their board exams and are stuck in a dilemma to which stream to choose? Well, in that case, this is the best video for you all. Remember, the decision you are going to take now will impact your future, so choose your stream wisely. So first of all, we have science, and in science you have three options: PCB, PCM or PCMB. So if you are interested in biology and if you want to do something in medical field, then you should opt PCB. And if you are interested in maths and you want to do something related to engineering, then you should definitely go for PCM. Talking about PCMB, I don't recommend it at all. Because if you will opt PCMB, then your condition will become like this. You have to balance both maths and biology together, and trust me, managing both is not a cup of tea. And if you are choosing PCMB, then you don't have a specific goal. If you don't have a specific goal, then you are not going to work to the full of your potential. And remember, in the end, it's only you who is gonna suffer, nobody else is gonna suffer. So don't choose your stream under any peer pressure or under any parental pressure, because it's only you who knows their real potential and capacity. And remember, 11th बहुत ज़्यादा ही रुलाता है. Your graph will fall down immediately like this. But don't be worried about it, because by the time you will enter in class 12th, your graph will again increase like this. So you have to work really very hard, because there is a huge increase in your syllabus from class 10th to 11th. So here are some career options after opting PCM or PCB. So just go through it once. And also, if you're confused between dummy and regular school, so I will recommend you all to go for regular school, because recently CBSE has cancelled the affiliation of so many dummy schools. So please don't take risk, and CBSE is really against dummy schools. Okay, so now let's talk about commerce. So here are some career options for commerce students. And if you want to pursue your career in banking or you want to become a chartered accountant, then you should go for it. And हाँ, अगर तुम न्यूमेरिकल से बचने के लिए कॉमर्स ले रहे हो, so don't take this risk, because कॉमर्स में भी न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं in subjects like eco and accounts and business studies. Alright, so here are some highest salary jobs in commerce. So if you are interested towards banking, then you should go for it. Okay, so now let's talk about humanities or arts. So अगर न्यूमेरिकल से डर लगता है और if you want to become a civil servant, then you should go for arts. And here are some career options for humanities students. So just go through it once. Okay, so now I like to end my video with this quote: make your decision wisely, because there don't exist anything called U-turn in the road called life. So remember, take your decision wisely. And also here is another quote for you all. So I hope you must have enjoyed watching today's vlog, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also, if you have any other doubts related to your stream selection, so you can tell me in the comment section. I will definitely make a separate video on that. Okay, so take care. We'll meet you all in my next vlog super soon. Till then, stay happy. Bye bye.